feel like I should walk in and sit down. Does that seem silly? Hey, I'm Sherry Tolbert. I'm a CPA here with Tolbert CPA, and we're bringing you a little bit of knowledge. I don't know about you, but I always Google what is the standard IRS mileage rate. I never can remember. It's more than 50 cents. For 2018, it's 54.5. So for each mile you drive, you get that much of a deduction. And that sounds like very little, but once you drive enough miles, it adds up pretty nicely. But they change it a little bit every year. So I just always Google to see what it is for the particular year I'm worrying about. The standard rate is the rate the IRS gives you for an average vehicle. It includes depreciation, it includes fuel and oil changes, car washes, just regular maintenance. That's just their guess. So I usually tell people, if you drive a big honking truck that just sucks gas, maybe you don't want to use the standard mileage rate. It depends a little bit on how you use the vehicle and and how good you are at keeping records of everything. You still need to keep records of your business use of the vehicle, and you need to do the best you can. A lot of people blow it off entirely, and that's just not smart. At the very least, you need to nod in respect to the rule so that if you're ever audited, they don't just cream you. The choice is either the standard mileage rate, because it includes everything, or depreciation and actual expenses. The new tax law came in with more Section 179 depreciation and more bonus depreciation. So if you're wanting to take advantage of those, you won't use the standard mileage rate. For any given vehicle, once you start on one type of expense calculation, for the life of that vehicle, it has to stay the same. At least keep a mileage log when you can. Or there's Mile IQ. I've heard, I don't use it, but there's Mile IQ is an app, and that's the one I hear about most from my clients. It seems to be successful, and it seems to be something that they use. Some people just write where they're going on their calendar and go back and calculate the miles later. That's good enough because it's a record at the time. What you can't do is go back and make it up later. Okay, that was your little nugget of information for today. Feel free to call us if we can help you get your plan together and figure out how to gather your information. Sherry Tolbert, have a good day. Should I get up and leave?
I'll leave this.
That's what it made me think about too. I don't know what.